Alright, so right now I'm working on a 2004 Toyota 4Runner, and I'm trying to change out the coolant temperature sensor, but it's all the way the fuck back here underneath a bunch of hoses and shit. There, you see right there in the middle, I already unplugged it. Now, unfortunately, to get to it, you have to remove the intake, because you have to remove the fucking fuel rail, which is held in by 3 10mm bolts. And then to get that out, supposedly it's a 19mm sensor, so I'm using a spark plug socket because that's the only thing that is deep enough to get it. And yeah, we'll see how that goes once I fucking remove this fuel line. Look, oh, there, I might be able to actually get to it. All right, so I got it out. Here it is. It's a 13/16 spark plug socket. Old one is out, new one's about to get in. And not really seeing coolant come out, so that's good. You don't have to fucking, I saw on the forums somebody said that you take out a little bit of coolant, that way it doesn't spill out, but none's coming out, so we're all good to go. I don't know the torque specs for this, but it wasn't on there tight, so just snug and tight is all I can tell you. And now we're gonna turn it on and see what happens. One of the issues that it's having a high idle. So almost 2,000 RPM, and what I noticed is that after the car's been on for a while, the temp gauge doesn't go all the way to the middle. It stays pretty close to cold. All right, so to remove the intake, all you need is a 10mm socket. There's a bolt here, and then for these is the intake, there's this clamp here that I disconnect from here, and then from the throttle body, and these are 10mm as well. Unplug the mash, then you remove this breather hose here as well, and it's easy. You can do it by hand. And then there's a little hose back here that you got to remove, and you can just pull it out and push it back in. All right, so let's see if that fixes the idle issue. Nope. Oh well. Unfortunately, I didn't test the heat in the car before replacing the sensor, and it looks like the thermostat is stuck open. If this helped you change the sensor on your Toyota's V6, drop a like and a comment, and subscribe for more content.